Gestures and motion. 3-button navigation. To go to the home screen, select the Home key. To see your recent apps, select the Recent Apps key. To switch between apps, swipe to and select the desired app. To close an app, select the Recent Apps key, then swipe to the desired app. Swipe up to close the app. To go back to the previous screen, select the Back key. To launch the Google Assistant, select and hold the Home key. To open Quick Settings and Notifications, swipe down from the notification bar at the top of the screen. Gesture Settings. To access gesture settings, from the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar, then select the Settings icon. Swipe to and select Advanced Features. Select Motions and Gestures. Select the switch next to the desired motion or gesture to enable or disable that motion or gesture.